I just want to show you everything I got from Swann's, just so you know that I can really get a lot of stuff for $149.47. I got all those yogurts, some paper products, Reynolds wrap. All these soups, they're like $3.99 a can in the store for 99¢. Jesse really likes them for lunch. Lunch meats and quick waffles and bagels and garlic shrimp scampi and fish and cereal. I don't normally buy cereal, but I was out of granola and I wasn't sure if I was going to get home in time to make some. So bags of pretzels, a bunch of other pretzels, the foil tins, I got them. Bunch of cookies, more foil tins, granola bars, some juice, some Pop-Tarts, whoops, some baked beans, and some tomato sauce, some soap, some bleach, and a bunch of cereals. I normally don't buy cereals, but anyway, so it's a good thing to go to Swann's.